on a list who is one of immense inspiration to me personally. The person who has been awarded as a young medical scientist by Ministry of Health in year 2018, who is again an inspiration to thousands of youths out there. A person who is representing himself at a global platform as a goodwill ambassador and provoking the youths for platelet donation, such a noble cause. And also, along with all these things, a person who is into global talent hunt, into 7 cross-functional domain. Yeah, I'm talking none other than Mr. Vishwajit Kashid, someone really brother by heart. Welcome, sir. Welcome on the forum.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank Sachin sir, then Team LinkedIn Local Kolhapur for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And the session started on a very, very great note. Even I have learned so many things from Deepak sir. So thank you especially for giving us opportunity to hear from such a wonderful talent. So before taking this forward, most of the things that I've covered, but I'm going to talk something even more interesting things as a recruiter. So I'll start with what line of work that I'm doing and what kind of experience that I'm going to share, so that it will be helpful in some way or the other. So before that, can we have this session as an interactive one? Because I need to get the number of participants or which branch they all are from. Can we have that information? Mostly are they freshers or mostly their experience or something?
Yeah, most of the people are freshers.
Okay. And what background they are from?
If you are from management background, if you are from pharmacy background, if you are from engineering, and if you are from arts, commerce, like this.
Okay, so I really want to do a small exercise in this session. Like those whoever present, can they just unmute themselves and introduce their name and their degree and what kind of job they're looking for? Can we have just this small exercise? I know it's a bit tedious for as organizers to you all, but can we have 5 or 10 introductions, if at all is possible for them?
Sure,
just
sure,
name,
definitely.
degree, and what kind of a job they're looking for.
Yeah, I request people to unmute one by one and introduce themselves.
Yeah. Before that, I'll start with my introduction. So that's why then you will get to know why I'm trying to do this exercise. So my name is Vishwajit, and I've done my engineering from PICT Pune, and currently working as a artificial intelligence expert. I'm wonderful at coding, programming, because that is something comes as a poems to me, writing the complex code and understanding the machine learning and giving intelligence to various machines. That's my technical hands-on. And on a management level, I'm handling the recruitment of 7 multinationals, where my job is to design aptitude paper, technical papers, train HR how staffing should be done, and most importantly, handling the circus of this LinkedIn entirely, shortlisting the resume and doing all those things. So my purpose of coming into the picture and asking you has some meaning, which I'll eventually open up in the discussion. So shall we start with this, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Who's going to start first? Yeah. Hello? No, you're not audible, guys. You're not audible. Hello?
May I request to unmute one by one and just introduce to Vishwajit sir?
Start with roll number 35. Somebody has mentioned his name as a roll number 35. So can we start with those? As an anchor, you should take out the names so they will unmute themselves and.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
My name is Bhosle Yashwardhan Pramod. I am from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyamandir College of Pharmacy, Nashik.
Okay.
I
Uh-huh.
am pursuing M.Pharm
Hmm.
from Department of Quality Assurance.
Okay, very good. M-Farm, right? And
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yes. And what kind of job you're looking forward to?
Sir, I am looking for a job in Technology Transfer Executive and Regulatory Affairs Executive.
Okay. Regulatory affair. It means it's a government profile.
No, yes, sir. Related to government profile.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Yashwardhan. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Who's next?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Suraj Gunwan. Actually, I completed VFarm, then I completed PGDM in pharmaceutical management. Now I'm currently in pharmaceutical sales. Sir.
Okay, and which area you're from?
Actually, I'm covering entire West Zone, Kolhapur,
West Zone.
Sangli,
Okay.
and Konkan belt.
Okay. And what kind of opportunities are your experience, Suraj?
Yes, sir. Almost 2 years. Sir.
Almost 2 years. Okay, and what kind of a job you're looking forward to in near future?
Actually, I'm looking forward first line manager, then after zonal manager. I am looking for entire sales.
Okay, sales and sales revenue. Okay, very good, Suraj. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sir.
Yeah, who's next?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, sir. I am Shubham. I did my pharmacy from Ashok Ramani College of Pharmacy, Pet, Vadgaon. And right now I am doing a job as a medical representative in Intas Pharmaceutical.
Okay.
Before that, I was in Alembic Pharmaceutical. I am having 6 months of experience in Alembic, and after that, I have joined Intas Pharmaceutical, and total experience is 1.5 years from Intas Pharmaceutical, and total experience throughout in sales career is 2 years, sir, right now.
Okay. 2 years in sales.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what kind of future opportunities you are looking for, Shubham?
Sir, actually, I am looking forward for area sales manager position in the sales.
Okay.
And that's why I am also excited to know about what kind of profile will be important on LinkedIn, so that I could able to grab the opportunities coming soon.
Okay. Very good, Shubham. And which part of the state you are from?
Sir, I am from Maharashtra and from the Solapur district.
Okay, from Solapur.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Shubham.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Next.
May I ask Preeti to introduce?
Yeah.
दिदे माझं लेक्चर चालू आहे कोणाचा बॉम्बलायचा आवाज आला
Hello, sir.
Yes.
This
Hi,
is
Preeti.
Yes, I have
Okay.
completed my B.Pharm and pursuing MBA. I'm a first year student and I have interned for 2 months in market research. And while I'm searching a job as like market research associate.
Wait. Preeti, can you come again? Like, what have you done? B Pharmacy.
I have B.Pharm.
Okay, and?
Pursuing MBA Pharmaceutical Management, PGDM.
Okay, MBA in Pharma Management.
Yes.
Okay.
I have done internship. I'm doing internship. I have 2 months of experience, like a market research associate intern, and it's hold because of this lockdown period. And I'm searching for both internship and associate position also.
Okay. Okay, and you are in a first year, right, or second year of MBA?
And I'm in the second year right now.
Second year right now.
Yes.
Okay, and you have a total intern experiences of 2 months, Preeti.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and what's your which part of the state you're from?
Pune.
Pune. Sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Sir, this is Disha Ambe, and I work as content writer at Plan B currently. So I have completed my B.Pharm. Like the exam is on hold, but surely I'm gonna complete it. B.Pharm from Tatya Saheb Kore College of Pharmacy, and I'm looking forward for my master's education. But I'm working on my interest and which job will be suitable for me. So I have narrowed it down to the quality assurance and regulatory affairs, and I'll be seeking opportunities for internship and for the job positions in the same field. And I come from Sangli.
You come from Sangli. Can you just come again with that regulatory thing, because in between your voice was not audible.
Okay, so I'm looking for the opportunities in regulatory field and quality assurance in pharma.
Okay, quality assurance in pharma.
Yes.
Okay, and Tisha, currently you are a content writer.
Yeah. Because
A
it's
content writer with which company you working?
For Plan B magazine, sir.
Okay, for magazine. Very nice.
Thanks.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very interesting. Yeah. Thank you so much, Tisha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Who's next?
Very bright morning, sir.
Very, very, very bright. Thank you.
I am speaking Ms. Vedashri Arvind Kulkarni, a final year student of management from Sanjay Gauda University, Kolhapur. First of all, I would like to thank for granting such a wonderful opportunity. And I have worked as an intern in Samruddhi Industries Limited, which is headquartered at Mumbai. And looking forward to work in the dynamic industry as in the position of in the field of marketing, simultaneously as in the field of HR. And I would also like to thank for providing this opportunity as well Mr. Sachin Kumboje sir, as I have attended the guest lecture and he was just a speaker there, and really very happy to see him again here. Thank you so much, sir.
Sachin sir, well done. Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah, Vedashri, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Marketing in field of like which domain you are looking forward to?
Sir, as in sales executive.
Okay, but which domain? And, in which domain?
Sir, in this area, Kolhapur area.
No. Matlab domain means like automobile sector, or maybe for telecom sector, or like software tester. Marketing into what exactly?
Sir, not in automobile sector, sir.
Automobile.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Vedashri, what is your graduation into?
In BBA, sir, Bachelor's of Business Administration, final year.
BBA and then shifted to MBA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Vedashri, for so much positive energy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Who's next? Hello.
Gaurav, as a moderator, please choose someone and please instruct them to introduce themselves.
Yeah. We have to be quick because only I have 30 minutes, and in that I have to cover a very interesting point.
May I ask Pooja Gaurav to unmute herself? And next to Tejas Bhatia.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning.
Sir, I am Tejas Bhatia from Appa Saheb Bilnade College of Pharmacy, Sangli. And sir, I am a B.Pharm second year student. And sir, just to use this COVID-19 time, I am attending the seminar.
Amazing. Okay, you are attending because this COVID lockdown.
Yeah, sir, definitely.
Very good. Did you find it useful?
Yeah, sir, yeah.
Okay, Tejas. Thank you so much. And what are you looking forward to do in life, Tejas?
Sir, I'm wishing to be a production manager at any pharma company.
Okay, any pharma company.
And sir, I would like to thank Sachin Kumbudji, sir, because I attended two seminars of him yesterday, which were very good and very obvious. So thank you, sir.
Yeah, Sachin sir, very well done. Very
Thank
great
you.
job.
Thank you, Tejas.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Amazing, Tejas. Amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Who's next?
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
So I'm Pooja Gurav from DSTS Mandals College of Pharmacy, Solapur, and I'm final year student. And I'm looking forward for doing MPharm in QA and to work as a QA analyst for them.
Okay. QA analyst. Okay. Very nice, Pooja. Very nice. And you're from Solapur, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any particular company you are specifically focusing on? Okay, this is the company where I have to approach.
Not yet, sir.
Acha, not yet. Okay. Thank you so much, Pooja.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who's next?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Rutuja Patil.
Okay.
I have completed my B.Pharm from Ashok College of Pharmacy.
Okay.
I am currently pursuing my PGDM in Pharmaceutical Sales from Midcon Institute.
Okay.
I'm doing my internship from Sales for Plan B magazine.
Okay. And what are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward for actually for PMT.
Sorry?
PMT.
Okay.
It's product management.
Very good. Okay. Next, who's next?
Yeah, may I ask Nilesh Mari?
Take out the next name if Nilesh is not.
Aditya, Ankita, yes, Shubham, yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning. My name is Shubham Kharade, sir. I am currently in final year in Rajaram Bapu College of Pharmacy, and I am currently interning as a sales executive in Plan B. And I am looking for the job for the domains such as marketing, also in pharmacovigilance domain, and that will actually beneficial for me for the management studies. So I'm looking for the same. Yes.
Okay, you are planning for management studies.
Yes.
Later on. And what will you do after studies?
Sorry.
After management studies, what's your
Yes,
plan?
specifically in a domain such as marketing. Yeah.
Okay, marketing. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Shubham. Yes. Next.
Most welcome.
May I ask Khagesh, an engineering grad in-house?
Okay.
Khagesh, can you please unmute?
We'll take next.
Yeah. Rajeshri.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Rajeshri. Yeah.
Sir, I'm final year student from DSTS College of Pharmacy, Solapur, and I'm doing MPharm in oncology, and I'm searching job in clinical research. Still, I'm not searching any company, but I'm doing MPharm in pharmacology.
Okay, but you are planning to go for clinical research.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Rajeshri. Yes. And which you are from?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Which part of the state you are from?
From Solapur, sir.
Okay, Solapur. Very good. Next. Thank you,
Maharashtra.
Rajeshri. Yeah.
May I ask Omkar Desai and Swara?
Good morning, sir. I am Omkar Desai.
Hello.
I have completed my graduation in Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil College. and recently pursuing my post graduation in Midcon College for pharma management and looking for PMT, product management team.
Okay. And which part of the state you're from, Omkar?
Sir, I am from Maharashtra in Ahmednagar.
Ahmednagar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what you're looking forward to, as you mentioned, into
As product management, sir.
Product management. Okay. Thank you, Omkar. Thank you, Omkar. Next.
Swara.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Swara.
I'm Swaranjali Gajanan Pore from TKCP Varnanagar.
Okay.
I'm studying
Yes.
last year
Of
B.Pharm.
B.Pharm. And what you're planning?
I want to go in quality control in R&D.
Acha, where? Which company are you looking forward to? Or?
Actually, I have done in-plant training in R&D, Sanofi R&D. So I want to go there only.
Okay, only there, nowhere else.
That was priority actually.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. And you're from Varnanagar.
Now I am in Sangli, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Swara. Thank you. Who's next?
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
I'm Ankita Zanskar, a final year student of DSTS Mandal College of Pharmacy from Solapur.
Okay.
I am interested to do M.Pharm in QA.
Okay, M.Pharm in QA. And what you are planning to do in future?
So I'm interested in do QA analyst.
Okay, QA analysis. Okay, thank you.
Not
Thank you,
sure,
Ankita.
sir.
अच्छा, अभी sure नहीं है. अच्छा, by the time you will get sure, you can tell us. Ankita, which part of the Maharashtra you are from?
Solapur, sir.
Solapur. Thank you, Ankita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Who's next? Guys, can we have a quick round of introductions? Quickly.
Yeah. Can I ask Megha, Khagesh?
Hello, sir. This is Khagesh.
Yes, Khagesh.
Sir, my name is Khagesh Ingulkar, and I'm a civil engineering graduate.
Thank you. First engineer I met.
Sorry?
First engineer on the conference.
Okay. I was having a bit connectivity problems, so so I'm late. Sorry for that.
Okay. No. It's all right. Khagesh, you've done a civil engineering.
Civil engineering, and I'm graduated in July 2019.
Okay. And what you are looking forward to?
Right now, I'm looking for my further studies, mostly in civil environmental engineering, and I'm at the same time looking for some internships in the same field as well.
Okay. And which from where did you complete your engineering?
Siagar College of Engineering, Pune, Padgaon.
Okay, Siagar. I did my engineering from PICT.
Okay.
Yes, Khagesh. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And currently you're from which part of you're from Pune itself?
Yes, I live in Nanded City, Pune. Yes.
Okay. Currently you're joining from Pune.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Who's next? Come on, guys. Quick.
Vishwajit sir, I guess we have covered.
Yes. We have done. Okay.
Yeah.
So shall I start with the thing?
Hello.
We have a wonderful people like we have a Khagesh, then Ankita, Omkar, Swara, Tejas, Pooja, Vijayashree, Disha, Priti, Shubham, Suraj, Yashuvardhan, Rajashri, then Shubham, then Rutu, I guess Rutu. All these people. Well, let me tell you. before starting your-
Just a moment. Sorry to interrupt. Aditya is trying to say something.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Aditya.
Sir, I'm from Kolhapur. I am doing biotech engineering from KIT College.
Okay.
So, sir, I want to work in AI sector.
Okay.
Currently, I am learning Python for beginner.
Python. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good, Aditya. I'll get back to you. Aditya.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So shall and which you're doing B, right, currently?
Yeah, BTech in biotech engineering.
BTech. Okay.
Yeah.
BTech. And then you will be going for MTech, or you will be switching directly to AI?
Switching AI.
Okay, directly to AI. Nice to talk to you, Aditya.
Yeah. Sir, I think we did a session at Shaupuri. Karmarkar sir's.
Aditya, you met me, I guess. I
Yeah.
am recollecting. We had when I was in Kolhapur at that time, we met, I guess.
Yeah, at Shaupuri.
Yeah. Nice to see you again, Aditya.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah, that time I think so. We have left answering you.
Yeah.
Okay, Aditya, you have my number. You can call me anytime. Now we can have a proper discussion.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Aditya.
I guess I'm the only person left.
Yes, Gaurav. Please.
Yeah. So basically, sir, I'm a pharmacy grad. Then I have done my PGDM in pharmaceutical management from Midcon Institute, as most of have done. Then I have done my MTech in pharmaceutical operations and management from BITS Pilani. And I have an experience into clinical research, into TCS, and into sales, into various different companies. And I wish to get into operations in near future someday. So, what are the things that I need to finger crossed? Yeah. So I just wanted to know, like, what all things I need to get equipped with.
This session we are having since like 1 hour. I have, to be honest, I met one of the Padhe Likhe Gawar since morning. Okay, let me be very frank, let me be very honest with you guys, okay? Let's say this is the Zoom call, which is meant to educate ourselves for what we are aiming for. The topic of the session was since morning, like the moment Deepak sir started off. Have you guys noticed that we had a topic about the LinkedIn and the profiles, how we should, have that profiles on the LinkedIn so that we would be get shortlisted. I have seen 95% people were from pharmacy background. None of them raised the question, sir, we are from pharmacy background. So can you just help us writing how we should, come up with our resume, uploading on a LinkedIn. Whatever Deepak sir has mentioned, it was from the point of information technology engineering point of view. He has mentioned everything like projects and the skills he was talking about, Java and everything. Why nobody has raised the question, sir, we are from pharmacy background and we are like unable to understand what exactly you are trying to say. That is the main problem. This is the first one. No clear purpose. Okay, guys, I have to be very cutthroat, clear, and take this conversation in a very healthy and enriching way. I can go out and tell you how smartly we can write the resume. I can tell you the gradient boosted decision tree, GPDT we call it, how we shortlist the resume and everything. So today I'm going to share my experience being a recruiter. I've taken can I have somebody's face in front of me, because Gaurav, yours, or Khagesh, anybody's. So can you guys put on your videos on in front of me? I want to see the faces. Hello.
Yeah, Vishwajit.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Is it possible?
Yeah, can you see?
I can see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you give me the pan window of everybody's face so that I can have the one-to-one interaction?
There is
very key points I'm going to deliver.
Right. There is one option where you can select, speaker view and gallery view. you have to just click on gallery view so that you can.
So where it is? Where it is?
Right side of your screen, upper right side, upper right corner.
Okay.
Gallery view.
Hide my video in a.
No.
Okay,
Or
gallery view. I have to choose. Show my video in a.
Or just click on participants. And there you can see gallery view.
I'm unable to see it, sir. Like, I can only see the participants number 24, and then there's no other option from where I can like.
In right above right corner, can you see this speaker view? At least speaker view or gallery view or participants view, something like that.
There are no options, sir. No options over here. But here in the options, I can see hide non-video participants and hide my video in gallery view.
No, it's not.
Show name when participant join. Acha, so like I will try with. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm taking important time of yours.
Because it is visible for desktop.
Okay, but for on mobile, it's
mobile.
Anybody is using it on mobile? Can somebody help?
How to check with gallery view, where we can see all the participants at a time.
Hi, Brijesh this side. I think on mobile, gallery view would not be visible. So I to check it in mobile. So only 4 options are coming there.
Yeah. Only 4 options are coming.
Sir, please slide your screen. So automatically every participant will be visible.
So where do I have to slide?
Just slide from the right.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. Oh, so nice.
Now can you see all of us?
Yeah. Shubham, I can see. Now I am feeling like into conversation.
Right.
Yes, I can see Khagesh. I can see OPEX, Aditya, and with everyone. Yes, shall I start?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. 2 things, guys, did you observe since the session started? First, as I mentioned, Sir Deepak Mishra ji, he was talking from engineering point of view. None of pharmacy guys raised the question and asked, sir, what are you talking? We are not getting. This is our profile. Will you please help us? This is the first thing, shortcoming. Second, I have observed over here that everybody was giving an introduction. Have you observed yourself? How did you give your introduction? Apart from, I guess, Vedashri, and I guess Khagesh and someone, I think Shobham. Apart from them, everybody was shying off giving the introduction. Like they were shying to tell their own names. Like they were running and hustling to finish the introduction part. Like let it finish and let me. And third is one more thing. Did you observe like the way they gave introduction? Name half-hearted. Either they told their first name, no last name. It's okay, fine that too. Second, they were forgetting which part of the state they belongs to and which degree they have done and they're looking forward to. So guys, you should understand. ये जो circus हम करते हैं recruitment की, let me tell you, till now in my career, I have taken interviews of close to 16,000 engineering and MBA students. These engineers, these pharma students are the stupidest or failed actors in the drama. I always believe. I don't know कहाँ से पढ़ के आते ये drama सब सीख के the engineering guys and this pharmacy. And I don't know, you guys learn interview techniques or maybe from internet or read it somewhere, I don't know. And they are the most theatrical people. You know, as soon as they come for an interview, by God, उनका drama देख के you surprise कि are they actors or they are like professional, educated individuals who are looking forward to this job. Third thing I have noticed कि इतना फेकाउ प्रोफाइल इस पे ये अपना LinkedIn पे इतना फेकाउ they are fake on Instagram, they are fake on Facebook, and same fakeness they add up on the place where they're going to get a Lakshmi from. Guys, you all are young, like this is a very friendly environment, and Sachin sir, please forgive me if I am trying to be honest, but these all people are joined from different parts, and then that's why I have to be very honest with them, so that they should take something positive out of this discussion. तो मैंने देखा है कि ये गाइस इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक या व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस जैसा फेकनेस यहाँ पे ऐड प्लीज कृपा करके मत करो, क्योंकि शायद यू कैन विद दैट स्मार्ट एटीट्यूड यू कैन गेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द एचआर एंड देन यू मीट पीपल लाइक मी हु आर कट थ्रोट हार्श. ओके, वी आर, हम जो है ना सब चने चबा के वहां पे बैठे हुए होते हैं. द मोमेंट वी रीड योर फेकनेस और जिस तरह से आप बात करना शुरू करते हो, that moment we decide कि whether to take that person in or out. सबसे important है प्रोफाइल लिखने से पहले खुद के बारे में जानो. Most of the time, most of the engineering and this MBA and this pharmacy people, they even don't know how to write a profile. ये इतने सारे खुद के points लिखते हैं. I'm honest, I'm hardworking, मैं जो हूँ वो sincerity का epitome हूँ, I'm compassionate, I'm this and that. Guys, ultimately you understand as a recruiter what we are looking forward to. हम आप में क्या देखते हैं? Do you know anybody is having idea कि ये job वाले देखते क्या है आप? Is anybody is having idea? वेदेश्वरी तू बता. Do you have any idea? एक वर्ड में बता कि ये recruiter ये देखते हैं.
Sir, interpersonal skills.
Just a minute, sir. How much time we have? Like I have, because the rest of the people are also going to talk.
Yeah, we have 20-25 minutes.
For me, exactly how much time you can offer?
We can stretch out to 24 minutes. Not an
20
issue.
minutes. Just buzz me then, because Goldie is also there. Brijesh sir is also waiting. He will get angry. Yeah, Vedashri, what?
Sir, 60% impression is covered by entering into your body language, by seeing, and by your interpersonal skills and your communication skills.
Very good. प्रीति तू बता, as a recruiter हम क्या देखते होंगे?
Sir, they like qualities देखते होंगे कि quantity तो बहुत मिलती है. हाँ.
क्या qualities?
Sir, like जो प्रोफाइल है, स्टडी किया है या नहीं, जो कंपनी के लिए आए हो वो कंपनी का स्टडी किया है या नहीं.
ओके. नेक्स्ट शुभम तू बता. शुभम मगर.
Yes sir. Sir, tones and modulation of the voice. Tones and modulation of the voice.
Okay.
Facial expressions.
Okay, very good यार.
Eye contact.
Looks, hair, nose. ये भी ऐड कर दिया हमने.
नहीं सर, जो मुझे लगता है वो मैं मतलब बता रहा हूँ. बी फ्रैंकली.
ओके, वेरी गुड. या वेरी गुड. या who's next? खगेश तू बता. खगेश है क्या?
हेलो.
या खगेश है क्या? तेजस तू बता.
हेलो.
Khaggesh, you are audible.
Yeah. Too.
Sir, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, but I'm having some terrible connectivity issues right now.
Sorry.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I'm really having some terrible connectivity issues.
अच्छा, ये बता, सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे. As a recruiter, what the recruiter must be seeing you, because you come from the engineering background, so you can answer it in a better way.
The first thing he might be looking in me is my educational qualifications, and then my personality maybe.
Your personality and your hairstyle. It means personality with your hairstyle, clothing.
No, it doesn't mean my personality. My personality means my confidence level, my punctuality, and a few other qualities which are helpful for the company.
Okay, very good. Next, I want Shubham to answer. ये शुभम जो यहाँ पे स्ट्रिप्स का टी-शर्ट है, जल्दी बताओ qualities.
Yes sir, I think most important thing the recruiter looking for us as a kind of businessman, as they saying that how efficient the worker they will get, and complementary things with it is how well communicate he will communicate. Then other things such as efficiency of his doing work and like that. Other complementary things such as confidence, all over.
अच्छा, तेजस भाटिया तू बता.
Sir, maybe the technical skills which are required, for example, in the pharma or the engineer, and the professional skills.
Okay. Who left? और कोई बताना चाहेगा? ये दिशा है क्या? दिशा, पूजा, यशवर्धन? सुनो दोस्तों, ये इंटरैक्टिव सेशन है. इट्स नॉट अ सत्संग सेशन वेयर लाइक आई विल बी गिविंग यू ज्ञान एंड यू विल बी जस्ट लिसनिंग. ओके, वी हैव ओनली 15 minutes left, so let it be very educative.
Okay.
Sir, I think the recruiters first see like the personality, and when they are interacting, they see the enthusiasm and the seriousness the people, like the candidate, has in himself when he is like appearing for the job interview or something like that.
Okay, thank you, Disha. Thank you, Disha. Who's going to say anything? Somebody wants to add?
So I think soft skills and the confidence level of the person.
अच्छा, कौन बोल रहा है? ये कौन बता रहा है?
So I am Rutuja.
अच्छा, Rutuja, very good. हाँ.
Yes, sir. So I think he will see the confidence level of the person and the soft skills.
Okay. Anybody wants to add anything into it?
Yes, sir. I would like to add, like, the first and foremost thing, willingness. I think.
Acha. Most important as a recruiter, what we see, guys, always remember forever, is that how comfortable you are with yourself. That's it. That's the most important thing we always focus on. कि ये बंदा जो हमारे सामने आ गया है जॉब मांगने के लिए, how comfortable he is as a human being with himself. That's it. If person is comfortable with himself, he will never shy away from hiding his, like lacks or maybe deficiencies as far as attitude is concerned. As that person is very, very sporty, very compassionate, very enthusiastic, and ऐसा person जो होता है ना, वो company के business में he adds into the business of the company. देखो, हमेशा याद रखो, your marks, your score, your skill can just shortlist your resume, but never get your opportunity on the floor. तो as soon as we shortlist your resume by seeing the और वो भी AI यूज करके हम shortlist कर देते हैं वहाँ से LinkedIn से. As soon as you come into the campus now, we throw your resume in a dustbin because we are least bothered of what technical skills you have achieved or something. क्योंकि हमें चाहिए होते गधे. We want literally donkeys to whom we can train. Okay, और जो लोग होते हैं आजकल के जो freshers है and all that, they are very big out type. I mean, like first impression of them is like a beggar. कि यार मेरे को job चाहिए. That is the first attitude they have. Second is I don't know which philosophy they read or something like that, and they train themselves and they come for the interviews. My God, it's one of the most entertaining job anybody can have, which I'm doing. So like that's the second quality. And third is पढ़े लिखे कमाल. जैसे आपने सुबह से एक डेमो दिखा दिया. शायद मैं आपकी जगह होता तो मुझे शर्म आती कि यार ये सेशन में अटेंड कर रहा हूँ. ये बंदा कहीं अमेरिका से मेरे को टाइम दे रहा है. ही इज फ्रॉम IT बैकग्राउंड एंड इज व्हाटएवर ही इज टेलिंग, शुड आई कंट्रीब्यूट इनटू आस्किंग हिम कि सर ये आप जो बात कर रहे हो दैट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू माय फील्ड, कैन यू हेल्प मी आउट. ओके, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं पढ़े लिखे कमाल. ये बिकआउट है ऐसे. और ये बिकआउट टाइप रिसोर्सेस है ना, कुछ पैसे फेंक दो, ये मिल जाते हैं. 2.3 4.5 लाख का पैकेज, एंड फिर हम कर देते हैं आपके बीच जॉब. और यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है आपका ग्रो. आपको लगता है ना कि करियर स्टार्टिंग अ करियर मींस गोइंग फाइनेंशियली अप. फॉर श्योर यू गो फाइनेंशियली अप, बट मॉरली एंड विद इंटीग्रिटी वाइज वी pull you down, and our job is to cut your wings, cut your dreams, and make you feel like you are important, but actually you are not. सबसे important चीज मैं बताता हूँ, guys, can't you give your introduction properly? Simple फंडा था कि you are in a this video conference, okay, where you have to come out. I really appreciate those who on their video and give the introduction, like खगेश ने और शायद वो जो नगर से या कहाँ से शुभम कर रहा है, these two people, and शायद ऋतुजा ने भी ऑन कर दिया था. आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ हाउ वी रिक्रूट, ताकि आपको हेल्प हो जाए. entire recruitment is done on your basic skills of how you are as a human being. जैसे 2015 में जैसे like I am a computer, can I share a 2-minute story of mine how the things are done, if you guys are okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you okay with?
Sure, sure, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just like I'm a computer engineer. So first job I got a chance to go to this Israel, and there I was working with I'm a little bit homesick. So when I went over there in this Israel, from here we feel like Israel is going to foreign is a very luxurious and very fantastic and all. Yeah, that is up to the certain point. But if you're homesick, if you're mama's boy or you want your family around, then it seems like a punishment over there, going and staying over there. So I was there for 6 months, and I requested my manager I want to go somewhere as a part-time job to just learn the Hebrew language over there and everything. So I started going over there, and there was my friend with whom I started working, and interview, and I gave that interview, and out of 30 I scored I guess 9 or 8 or 9, and I got failed. So I complained that HR, I got rejected, but I was sure I was supposed to clear the exam. I went to HR directly and said your question paper is wrong. They were absolutely stumped up because Infosys, you guys must be knowing that is a CMM level 5 company, it's a global company. They said no, it's not possible at all. I told their HR, I remember it was a Sushma Ghosh, that was that time she was the global HR. I went to her and said, ma'am, your question paper is wrong. 2 questions are absolutely wrong, and I can challenge about it. She got shocked. She said from Pune campus they kicked me out because they thought that I am mentally maybe cynical or psychotic or something. But I went home, I wrote an email to their global HR. She read my email and she sent me the air tickets. Day after tomorrow, just take the flight and come to the office. I want to meet you. And guys, I went, and she challenged me proof how they are wrong. Out of those, these 4 were not wrong, but 3 questions were absolutely wrong, and they were taking exam on those basis. Just imagine, ये simple चीज करने से उस HR ने बोला अभी क्या? What do you expect from us? मैंने उनको बोला कि I will give 10 questions to your HR, best HR, those who are working with you. If they score about 3 out of 10, if they score about 3, I will go silently out of here. I don't want anything from you, neither a job nor no opportunity. But in case if they don't, then give me opportunity to work with your HR team to design paper and everything. And guys, I remember I gave the exam, this 10 question thing to them. None of them score about 2. Highest was 2. From there, I got into this recruitment and everything. Let me tell you most interesting thing which you always remember. जैसे Capgemini नाम का एक company है. Have you ever heard of Capgemini? This is one of the MNC which is there in Pune, Bangalore, and HQ is America. They always used to have the problem of talent leaking. They have a very grueling. Sachin sir, I hope I'm not taking too much time.
Please continue.
Yeah. So I remember, their problem was they have a night shifts, and in IT, when you have a night shifts and project overload, most of the female co-workers and most of the above 40, they try to or tend to not get that job even though they join. So their biggest problem was talent leakage or talent draining. So that company every year has to invest huge amount of money to take interviews, select a candidate, and train them, and then people leave after 1 year of experience or something. So in 2016 Jan, they had a freshers recruitment for I guess 200, I think so for 200 freshers. Okay, and somebody suggested my name to them because their HQ has mentioned to Pune Center कि यार आप बहुत पैसा वहाँ पे खर्च कर रहे हो and you should cut down the budget and you should bring some smart tactics to recruit the people because for 200 freshers आपको पता होगा 200 freshers के लिए almost 3,000 to 4,000 freshers gathered in that campus. Okay, so I was hired as a specialist to do the recruitment. Okay, what I did smartly, let me tell you guys. Okay, मैंने उनको बोला था कि सुबह 8 o'clock if you are staying in Pune or अभी आप आ जाओ कभी पुणे तो you should go to the Taravde campus. So, it is a far in outskirts of the city. So there they have this center. I remember it was March first week. What we did was I requested their all HR technical people that we will close the gates at 9 a.m. in the morning. After 9 a.m. nobody will come into the campus and go outside. So for 200 freshers, I think we gathered about 3,000 or 4,000 crowd over there. What we did was we sealed the gates and everything after they came inside 9:50. And what we did smartly was I asked them to close all the pantries, like eating, drinking places, everything should be locked down totally. Second is till 12:30 I told every HR and every technical person we will not go to take any interview till 12:30. What we will do, we will make them to fill the forms, go here, go there, take the PILLA number, take the tagging, do this, do that. We started doing it. Guys, सुबह जो बंदे ये टाई पहन के इंटेलेक्चुअल मेकअप करके सुबह सुबह जो आए थे वहां पे, by the 12:30 they got pissed off कि ये कैसे सर्कस है, what the hell is going on. Or you can just imagine it was the first week of the March, it was a sunny and बेचारे भूखे प्यासे इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं. वो जो सुबह प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड जो आया था लेके आए थे, by the 12:30 it becomes a very aggressive and very dehati attitude बन गया कि they started sitting in the campus people helplessly sit on the roads or in any dharma or andolan. You can get it 3,000 ka crowd, you're not having water, anything. Some people were fainting, somewhere people having chakkers and everything. So I said, okay, till now it's fine. What we did smartly at 12:30, I asked them to lay out on lunch as best as it could. But smartly what we did, one sweet but in 4 different colors. One vegetable with 4 different ingredients. Okay, same thing. And 12:30 we asked announcers that the gate will be open, go and have your lunch. And अगर आप कभी corporates के offices में आए होंगे तो you must have seen our offices are very well laid out. It's like a 5-star, we have this, these companies are having this setup. 12:30 as soon as we open the gate, guys, you won't believe it. The way they started jumping, growling, pushing each other. Till then I can understand. I am also a human being. If you keep me hungry for 12:30 in the sun, this is going to be my reaction also. Same acceptable. 12:30 it is okay. They started jumping. They started pushing each other. ऐसे ही लोग जिन्होंने प्रोफाइल में लिखा था I am very helpful, I am a team member. जैसे भूख लगी, they started pushing their own friends जिनके साथ वो आए थे. They started pushing each other and to be in the first line. यहाँ तक all fine. As a human, you understand hunger can kill your sanskars. That is the first thing. Second, as soon as they see the food laid out, you won't believe it, guys. They started taking everything visible in the plate. अरे देखो तो same sweet है, 4 different colors है, but they don't see at all. They start taking everything in a plate, whatever it is possible. Till here, as a human, you can accept this is human reaction. You can understand. सारे HRs को मैंने क्या किया था, I make them better over there. फूड उन्होंने सिर्फ सर्व करना था and water. और हर एक कैंडिडेट को ना हमने चेसिस नंबर दिया था. We gave them the unique ID number. And guys, they started taking everything in the plate. Till here, it's a normal human reaction. You understand. लेकिन मैंने रिक्रूटमेंट स्टार्ट किया यहाँ से. You won't believe it, guys. खाते 30 to 40% है और फेंक देते 50 to 60%. We kick those people out, those who have wasted the food at the first place. Because अगर आपको आज free खाना यहाँ पे मिल रहा है, तो if you are throwing this much out, tomorrow we are going to give you the accessories, the infrastructure, the communication materials, everything free of cost from our company. अगर आपका free देते ही attitude ऐसा है, तो you don't deserve to be here in the organization. Believe me, guys, lunch के लिए 3,500 थे, coffee के वक्त only 300 people I have chosen for the interview. That's all. 300 में मैंने by the end of the that day 8 or 9 o'clock जो भी 200 थे उसमें से best we chosen now. Why I have discussed this thing? कथनी और करनी को समझो आप. अगर आप कथनी में रिज्यूमे में अपना इतना बड़ा लिखते हो, you should have that in करनी also. Make sure that when you write a resume, back up your experience with those points. Like if you are writing I am very honest. For God's sake, don't write honest. समझ रहे हो, यहाँ पे सबको पता है कौन कितना ऑनेस्ट है, हम कितने पानी में हैं. ओके, तो ऐसे क्वालिटीज ना लिखो जिससे लाइक आप एक उतला आदर्शवादी बन जाओ. यू डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. पुट सिंपल थिंग लाइक आई एम हार्ड वर्किंग. फाइन, हार्ड वर्किंग को बैकअप करो. हार्ड वर्किंग अगर किसी ने पूछा तो यू डोंट टेल कि मैंने इतना स्टडी किया, इतना वो किया. Make sure that give a lifetime examples like okay sir I have done this that hard work. कौन से क्वालिटीज नहीं लिखने चाहिए वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. सिंसियरिटी. ओके, सिंसियरिटी इसलिए होती तुम लिंक्डइन पे अप्रोच नहीं करते 10 कंपनियों के लिए, ठीक है. सिंसियरिटी मत लिखो. ऑनेस्ट तो कृपा करके बिल्कुल मत लिखो, ठीक है. ऑनेस्ट बोलते हो और 4 जगह एक ही दिन में इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो. ओके, तो ऐसी ऑनेस्टी किसी कंपनी को नहीं चाहिए. Write a simple quality, hard working, I'm very enthusiastic, I'm very energetic, having positive attitude, sporting spirit. That's all. Finish. आपका रिज्यूम पढ़ते ही आपके लिए प्यार उमड़ना चाहिए रिक्रूटर का कि यार ये बंदा ये बंदी मेरे टीम में. ओके, ये मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये दुनिया पोस्ट कोरोना आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट गाइस. ये जब कब होने वाला है. नाउ डेज रिक्रूटमेंट आपको लिटरली बताऊं, हम ओनली 20 to 25% लिंक्डइन पे जाते हैं. Rest of the entire interviews we schedule through a mouth-to-mouth publicity. Reference. We call it a mark-to-mark man. This mark-to-mark marketing. एक काम कीजिए, जिस फील्ड में हो कम से कम 20-25 लोग एक्सपीरियंस वाले के साथ दोस्ती बनाओ. Make sure that more than LinkedIn and more than what most important is that you should have a one-to-one human network. आपके फिर उसके those who are like 10-20 years of experience or wherever it is there. So make sure that you should, have a one-to-one interaction with them. You should connect with them. You should know them so that they will put your word, your resume, or mouth of word for you, and that is going to be your smartest way in upcoming era. So, if you think that you want to start your career on a high note, a flourishing note, 2 things you should start doing. First is that start working on your introduction part and presentation part. Simply, it doesn't mean that you should be very, extraordinary cool, extraordinary, you use affluent English or nothing. Even though you use your local language, that's so fine. But be comfortable when you talk, when you express your thoughts, when you talk to any person. Second is that be social. Connect with the people from your background and start talking to them. Try to understand, try to tell what your specialization into and what you're looking into or looking forward to. जैसे बहुत बंदों को या यहाँ पे बंदियों को मैंने पूछा यहाँ पे कि where you want to work. कुछ भी अनाप शनाप बोले जा रहे हैं. QA बनना है मुझे, मार्केटिंग में जाना है मुझे, सेल्स में करना है. Guys, can't you be absolute a little bit? खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हो सामने वाले को. यू हैव ओनली 30 seconds टू आंसर. कांट यू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कि सर मैं ऐसे कंपनी में ऐसे ऐसे काम करने के लिए देखा हूँ. यू टॉकिंग अबाउट इडियोटिकली, यू टॉकिंग अबाउट पोजीशन. मुझे QA बनना है. यहाँ से आगे ये नहीं चलेगा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली पोजीशन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. हमेशा अगर कोई आपको पूछे कि व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, गाइस टॉक अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट अबाउट. आते ही पोजीशन ये बनना है वो बनना है, यू डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. सेकंड इज यहाँ पे कोई तो शायद दिशा कर रही थी, कंटेंट राइटिंग का काम कर रही थी. शी इज कंटेंट राइटिंग एंड फार्मेसी एंड देन शी वांट्स टू गेट अ गुड जॉब एज अ QA फार्मेसी. गाइस प्लीज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मत करो. ऐसे ना दिखाओ कि आपका और लाइकिंग कुछ. मेजॉरिटी यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, आई कैन टेल यू 99% जो है बंदे उनका वो पैशन ही नहीं है व्हाट दे हैव चोजन. I can tell you by your faces and I can tell you by your voice energy. Accidentally you came into this field. अभी आए हैं तो चलो निभाना तो है. That attitude you have. If you have this attitude, guys, please at the beginning of your career, either choose what you're passionate about, terribly damn passionate about, and go for it, no matter whether you become successful or not. I'm sure अगर intention अच्छा है ऊपर वाला आपको, you're going to be blessed with success. अगर that is the thing, passionate, follow that. If you are not going to follow the passion, if you think it's a risky and you won't be able to succeed, then you have this option. Then be honest and devote yourself and do the things as best as you can and be smart, be shameless, be cut clear what exactly you want, and understand entire business, entire recruitment is done only on a communication. Means how you convey your thoughts to some person in front of you. That's all. If he or she finds a sincerity, guys, believe me, हम गधों को लेकर कंपनी इतने बड़े कर सकते हैं. तो आप तो लिटिल बिट कुछ तो आता है आपको पढ़ना लिखना. Believe me, we literally can train you the way we want. और आपको और एक साइकोलॉजिकल गेम में आपको बताता हूँ. हम क्या करते हैं, आपका लीचीनेस एनकैश करते हैं. लीचीनेस मतलब क्या, हर बार पैसे के लिए, पोजीशन एंड पैसा. यू सो मच लीची. Don't be. Your attitude while entering into the company is like, go to hell. If you take it, fine. Nahi take it, I will find the better place. This is what. That should be your attitude, no matter what. देखिए, आपसे important means practically understand that none or nobody is above you and your qualities. No matter whether you're 50% student or maybe 30-40%, doesn't matter. But as a human being, you're the most resourceful person, most important person anybody can have. So you don't need to sell out your integrity, or you don't need to prove your importance to the organization. Most of the time, where you get failed, you started proving yourself. Don't prove. Are you getting? Just go out and talk whatever you have done and what you are willing to do. That's all. I will not have a second thought to think about you guys. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि किस बंदे ने ये रेफर किया. सचिन सर ने रेफर किया, it means he must have seen. तो इंडस्ट्री ऐसे चलती है. When you have such a connection, make sure that you start nurturing. ऐसे selfish ना बनो. अभी जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है ना, तो we become leechy. As soon as job मिल गया, attitude. However you are, the way you are, stay like that. Okay, and मैं सचिन सर से कोशिश करूंगा कि we will have another in future we have a 1-to-1 session. और ये सेशन में बैठते हो ना, सेशन और सत्संग, इसमें you are a little bit educated. So you should know सत्संग और सेशन में क्या डिफरेंस. When you are sitting in a सत्संग ना, बैठो आराम से, ईयर प्लग लगा के सुनो, देखो इंसान क्या बोल रहा है. लेकिन सेशन में बैठते हो ना, raise your voice, talk. Speak out. How do you feel? What are the things? What do you feel? कैसा होना चाहिए? क्या लगता है? Okay. So I wish you all the best. All my details are with sir. Okay. कृपा करके be original. Okay. मेरे सामने कभी आए इंटरव्यू के लिए, I swear अगर कहाँ से कुछ पढ़ के आ गए, तो मैं तो आपको मैं बख्शने वाला हूँ. Second is ऑनेस्टी का पुतला एंड हार्ड वर्किंग हो, सिंसियर हो, पता है आप कितने सिंसियर हो, कितने हार्ड वर्किंग हो, इसीलिए आज इस मुकाम पे हो। हाँ, तो सबको सब पता होता है। तो स्टॉप फूलिंग पीपल, ओके, एंड व्हाटएवर यू डू, जैसे सेशन भी अटेंड कर रहे हो ना, डू इट दिल से, लाइक यस दिस इज समथिंग बेस्ट। ऐसे मरे पड़े हुए 10 बजे आके बैठे हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन देते हुए मेरी तरफ ऐसे मुझे देख के लग रहा था कि यार ये सेशन लेना है, ओके, आई थिंक सो माय टाइम इज गुड। तो जब आप खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन देते हो, सामने वाले को फील करवाओ कि वो भी इंसान इम्पोर्टेंट है। ऐसे मुझे लग रहा था स्टार्ट में जब इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे कि यू नो ऐसे पकड़ पकड़ के लेके आए, ओके, सामने वाले को गालियां कुछ बोलो, लेकिन कुछ बोलो, ओके। So Sachin sir and Gaurav sir hand it over to you. And one more thing, I have a very good friend of mine, Goldie Rajesh. Session is also very nice. So I want a few reactions from the talk that we had. कैसा लगा?
हेलो सर। हेलो।
Yeah.
हाँ सर, आपने जो बताया कि आपने जो HR का एक्सपीरियंस किया था वो मैं एक्सपीरियंस किया है। मतलब मैं कॉग्निजेंट के लिए कॉग्निजेंट में गई थी, कॉग्निजेंट कंपनी में फॉर पीवी के लिए मैंने इंटरव्यू देने के लिए गई थी। तो एम फार्म के पीपल थे, बी फार्म के पीपल थे और दोनों को एंट्री थी। तो उन्होंने भी क्या किया, सबको अंदर लिया और गेट्स बंद कर दिए और इतना भीड़ हो गई थी कि मतलब हमारा यहाँ पे सिंहगढ़ के लिए आने के लिए बस की फ्रीक्वेंसी का मतलब, तो बस में जितनी भीड़ होती है, एक बस में बहुत ज्यादा लोग
बहुत चालाक होते हैं हम, पता है।
तो फिर
तुम जैसे एक्टर लोग आते हैं ना, ये हाँ, तुम तो ऐसे बहुत प्रोफेशनल रहते हो। अच्छा, अच्छा, somebody can somebody mute the thing? इसका तो आवाज,
यस प्लीज,
इसका तो आवाज, हाँ।
हाँ, तो फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, बी फार्म को अलग रखा, फ्रेशर्स को अलग रखा, एम फार्म को अलग रखा। हाँ, और फिर एम फार्म लोग है, उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है उन लोगों को अलग रखा। तो कुछ लोग तो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए, चले गए छोड़ के, नहीं देना इंटरव्यू करके। फिर जो 3-4 हजार थे लोग, उनमें से बच के तो कुछ लोगों को बोला खाना खा के आओ। तो मैं तो ऐसी थी कि मैं पूरे दिन बिना खाना खा के भी बैठ सकती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा इंटरव्यू ले लो। अब मैंने तो उस दिन मेरा कॉलेज से छुट्टी भी लिया था और सर से मैं पूछ के आई थी कि मुझे इंटरव्यू देना है, तो अगर सर को बताना पड़ेगा ना मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया क्या नहीं। तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि कुछ खाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं वहाँ पे बैठ गई। फिर लकीली वो जीडी का राउंड था फर्स्ट, फिर था लास्ट HR राउंड, जीडी का राउंड, और मैंने वो क्लियर भी किया। और फिर टेक्निकल राउंड था, तो वो बाद में टेक्निकल राउंड का जो था वो मैंने अटेंड नहीं किया क्योंकि समथिंग वो बारिश थी लास्ट ईयर।
हाय प्रीति, तू तो बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक है, बारिश थी तो इंटरव्यू मिस?
नहीं सर, यहाँ से मैं गई थी लेकिन ब्लॉक था आगे पूरा।
क्या ब्लॉक था?
बस में थी लेकिन ब्लॉक था, आगे जा ही नहीं पाई।
अच्छा।
तो वहां से मतलब पूरी तैयारी थी, लेकिन फैमिली वालों ने फिर से घर बुला लिया, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली वहां पे मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाई। लेकिन जो आपने पूरा एक्सपीरियंस बताया था वो मुझे पूरा रिलेट हुआ कि उन लोगों ने ऐसा क्यों किया था। तो मैंने भी मन में बोला था कि ये कितना अनप्रोफेशनल है, ऐसा कोई करता है क्या, इतने लोग बुलाए, इनको तो तमीज नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ मैंने बोल दिया था। तो मुझे अभी ऐसा लगा कि इनका ये तो मतलब फुल फ्लेज प्लान था कि कैसे लोगों को लाना है, फिर जो क्वालिटी है वो रह जाएगी, क्वांटिटी चली जाएगी। फिर जिनको एक्सपीरियंस है वो भी विलिंगनेस भी रहता है ना कि हाँ करना है तो करना है, खाना मत दो, पानी मत दो, हम यहाँ पे रहेंगे, हमारा इंटरव्यू ले लो, सिर्फ ऐसा।
जब भूख आती है ना तो इंसान की पहले ना जमीन को खा जाती है, पता है।
हाँ।
तो दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव। तो कभी अगले बार सेशन हुआ तो आई विल गाइस टेल यू ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस ना, आई एम श्योर 1 hour यू आर गोइंग टू लाफ आउट लाइक ओ माय गॉड दिस इज इनसेन। ओके शुभम, तू बता, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस सेशन?
सर मैं ना 2 शुभम है इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ।
शुभम मगर
हाँ सर, हाँ सर, अभी जो इंटरेक्शन हुई उसमें से एक बात मुझे बहुत भाई और पसंद भी आई। वो बात ये है कि बी ओरिजिनल, हम जैसे है ओरिजिनल है वैसे ही रहना चाहिए हमें। नो मेक एनी ड्रामेटिक मूवमेंट एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स। सो ये बात मुझे बहुत पसंद आई और तहे दिल से मैं इसके लिए आपका शुक्रिया ये करता हूँ। और ये बात है कि बहुत जगह आजकल जो ये हो रहा है कि हम कुछ एक स्पेशल ढांचे में हम खुद को ढालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमारा इसलिए हमारा जो ओरिजिनलनेस है, जो इनोसेंस है, वो कहीं तो दूर चला जा रहा है। ये चीजें फाइंड आउट हो रही है। तो थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर knowing again these things. Be original. Thank
Original
you.
rest एक कैसा Lakshmi Saraswati will follow you.
Yes sir, sure.
Okay. Khagesh तू बता.
Yes sir. Although I joined a little bit late, I found this session very insightful and thank you so much for that. And the qualities which you told about being original and being real was really helpful. I mean, as an engineer, I can relate, and I have, while creating my own resume, I have written those qualities in my resume as well. Which sorry for that. Because as a fresher, I really didn't have any much about me to write in the CV, so I wrote, and I'll make sure I'll correct those things. And
Please do so. Yeah. And you have a very cool hairstyle.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, don't cut it. Okay, if you come for an interview, sorry.
My mother was insisting in the morning to get my haircut done right now.
No, increase it.
सर उसका आधा टाइम तो वो हेयर सेट करने में ही जाता है.
अच्छा, let them enjoy. Let him enjoy. तेजस तू बता भाई.
एक्चुअली सर बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैं तो न्यू ही हूँ यहाँ, आप सब तो एक्सपीरियंस है, लेकिन मैं B.Pharm सेकेंड ईयर अभी कर रहा हूँ. मगर सर बहुत अच्छा लगा कि और सर आई रिक्वेस्ट गॉड दैट हम बाद में एक बार मिलेंगे. सो आई वांट टू कांटेक्ट.
अरे रिक्वेस्ट गॉड को मत कर, सचिन सर को कर.
हाँ सर, प्लीज सर.
ही इज द बॉस. अगर उन्होंने बोला कि विश्वजीत जान मिल ले तेजस से, तू जहाँ रहता है मैं वहाँ पे आके मिलूंगा.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू
तेजस. विल मीट शॉप फॉर श्योर. Who's next? कौन है आगे? प्लीज गिव अ फीड. कौन है आगे? या वेदश्री.
Sir, it was very productive session I had ever had, and thanks for this opportunity. And also we also learned different many things, like how to position yourself among the competitors, and also to how to upload CVs and different various sectors, like be original when you give your interviews and different. So it was very productive. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Vedashri, and there is this, if you are studying in SGF, I'll give one of the reference. You have this Dr. Prasanna Karmarkar over there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
So you can meet him and he can be a good guide to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Disha, tu bata.
Yes, sir. Hi, and thank you so much for the session, first of all. Actually, I think I had some illusion about this interview thing, and thank you so much for showing me the harsh truth and reality behind the interviews. And I am so grateful for grateful to you for conducting this session and showing not just for not showing the illusion, but the real side of this whole thing.
Thank you, Disha. So kind of you. Thank you. Yeah. Suraj, bhai.
The section was, sir, very nice. Even means you give details about resume, and most of things are that means what are the things which are important for freshers, that are very important, sir, because we face that all things during interviews. Even Gaurav also knows, we are both our classmates. We face a lot of troubles during placements. So these are the very important things. So I think those are appearing for placements. Please consider all these things.
Okay, very good, Suraj. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Who's next? I guess Ankita. Are they there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you on your video at least? If it's possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
थैंक यू सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मतलब मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें बताना ही थी, वो सब आज आपकी वजह से पता चली। थैंक यू सर।
अच्छा, अरे ऐसे बहुत आई वाजंट नोइंग इट, मुझे पता था सिर्फ वी आर लाइक इल्यूजन बाय इंटरनेट।
हाँ, यस सर, यस।
ओके, ऐसे सर ऑन दिस यू हैव टू बी ओरिजिनल। अच्छा, यस पूजा, या मिस पूजा इज देयर आई गेस। पूजा प्रीति ऑन योर वीडियोस एंड टॉक।
एक्चुअली डिग्री तक ऐसा था कि ओरिजिनल रहना वाज माय अप्रोच था कि ओरिजिनल रहना चाहिए। फिर एमबीए सर प्रीति।
ओके
सर, जब तक डिग्री में थे ना हम लोग।
प्रीति, कैन यू ऑन द वीडियो इफ पॉसिबल? कैन यू ऑन द वीडियो इफ पॉसिबल?
सर, माय वीडियो इज ऑन।
Okay, I think so. I can't see you.
Sir, I have login from 2 devices because technical.
अच्छा, हाँ, go ahead.
हाँ सर, तो डिग्री में थे ना हम लोग, तो तब तक था मेरा ऐसा कि ओरिजिनल रहना चाहिए। मतलब बहुत सारी फिलोसफी सुनी थी कि ओरिजिनल रहना है, ये वो। फिर एमबीए में जब आते हैं तो सब इवन सब लोग फेक करने लगते हैं कि नहीं ऐसा रहना चाहिए, अब ऐसा रहना चाहिए, फिर ये सूट्स डालना चाहिए, क्या फॉर्मल्स डालना चाहिए। तो फिर पूरा गड़बड़ हो गया जब एमबीए में आ गए। तो तब से हम लोग वो फेक करना चालू कर दिए। फिर अंदर से कहा तो ऐसा लगता था कि फेक नहीं करना है, लेकिन अरे सब तो कर रहे, फिर हम लोग पीछे रह रहे, ऐसा लगता था। लेकिन अब तो पूरा क्लियर हो गया कि तो फेक करना नहीं है, आगे जाना है तो विद ओरिजिनलिटी जानना है। तो सर, थैंक यू सर फॉर दैट।
वेरी गुड प्रीति, वेरी गुड। Who's next?
Please unmute yourself and share your views of this session.
Hey, jaldi quickly, because next session is already I have delayed the next session.
Hello.
Yeah. Who's there?
Sir, I am Omkar.
Omkar. Bolo Omkar.
Sir, it was an amazing session. I learned too many things, and be comfortable with yourself and like खुद को रिप्रेजेंट करो जैसे आप हो। बहुत सी चीजें सीखने को मिली सर। So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, who's next?
Yes, Shubham.
Yes, sir. From this session, I just got the two main things: that be genuine, be original. That I will definitely implement in my CV and mine also. And most important, along with it, being self-aware in complementary of that, that will be beneficial. And this thing I have learned from this session.
Very good, Shubham.
Thank you, sir.
Nice. Thank you, Shubham. Yeah. Or you are from B Pharmacy, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm planning for MBA.
Yes, sir.
MBA.
Yeah.
Right now?
Right now I'm in final year. Yeah.
Okay. No issues. Who's next?
Yeah, Yashvardhan, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Acha, roll number 35.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, it was done for the college purpose. So, सर मैंने ये सीखा कि बी ओरिजिनल ऑलवेज।
वेरी गुड।
कौन सी भी सिचुएशन हो, आपकी ओरिजिनलिटी वैसे के वैसे रहनी चाहिए।
वेरी गुड।
कोई भी फेक नहीं दिखाना नहीं चाहिए। जो है वो ही अच्छा है आपका, उससे ही आप डटे रहो। और जो आपका हार्ट कहता है वही करो।
Exactly.
What your heart says, do that.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Very good. Thank you, Yash. Anybody left?
Yeah, anyone? This could be the last.
अच्छा, एनीबडी लेफ्ट? नहीं ना?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ओके, तो जाते जाते जोक बताते जाता हूँ, बिकॉज आई थिंक तो आप सबको देख के मुझे वो जोक याद आ गया. आई शुड नॉट लीव विदाउट टेलिंग यू दैट. कैन आई सचिन सर?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
आदित्य प्लीज, कैन आई?
Yes.
आदित्य एज अ मॉडरेटर बहुत he will be irritated. नहीं हो रहा है. तो एक
Vishwajit sir, just a small correction. It's Gaurav, not Aditya.
Sorry, Gaurav. Yeah. गौरव, तू ही WhatsApp पे मैसेज कर रहा था ना गौरव?
हाँ.
You were communicating. हाँ.
Yes.
So हाँ. This joke guys goes like this for you. Dedicated to all of you. There's this boyfriend and girlfriend. They fall into love with each other, and there this love phase starts off like knowing each other, exploring, and beautiful feelings. And इसमें ना 1-1.5 साल गुजर जाता है. And one fine day they decided कि यार अभी बहुत हुआ, चुप के मिलना जुलना, we'll get married, and one fine day they get married and this honeymoon phase starts off. Okay, that romantic phase. Guys, look at your faces now. Everybody is so curious when such topic came. So कैसे घूर के देख रहे हैं मुझे. Okay, this romantic part ends over here. Like that is life goes on, and after 6 or 7 years now, what happens अचानक से ना husband को doubt आना शुरू होता है कि यार मेरे wife का कान का problem start हो गया है. She is having a audibility problem. तो अपना एक ENT specialist दोस्त रहता है. ओके, उसको कॉल करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे को ना तेरी अपॉइंटमेंट दे दे, मेरी वाइफ की कान का प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुआ है, प्लीज कल मेरे को अपॉइंटमेंट दे दे. तो वो बोलता है अरे नहीं ऐसे भाभी जी को मत लेके आ, शी विल फील बैड अबाउट इट. व्हाट यू डू, टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी विल डू सम टेस्टिंग. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट testing we will identify the severity of the problem and then we'll decide line of treatment, but don't bring her right away, otherwise she will feel bad. यार वो बोलता है ठीक है, बता क्या. तो वो डॉक्टर उसको क्या बोलता है अपने फ्रेंड को कि tomorrow you stand 20 feet and ask her something. If she nicely
jump on it, ask the same question, like if she responds all responds, jump on it and ask her again. If she responds fine, maybe you have to jump on a fine. उससे क्या होगा, you will get to see the severity of problem from which we start. ये बता अगले मॉर्निंग में बैठा रहता है and his wife in opposite direction, she is making a breakfast for her husband in the kitchen. ये बंदा सोचता है कि this is the time where I should test. So he goes until 20 and he shouts, darling, breakfast में क्या बनाया है? Okay, so am I audible guys?
Yes sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
तो ये बंदा बोलता है darling, breakfast में क्या बनाया है? He didn't get a response. So he jumps to 15.
Vishwajit, sorry for interruption.
तो बंदे का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ते जाता है.
Vishwajit, sorry for interruption. Is he audible to everyone?
No sir.
No,
yes,
sir.
a little.
Vishwajit.
He is audible to me, but is he audible to everybody?
A little, sir.
No, you are not audible.
Sir, not proper, sir. Not audible proper.
So your voice is bit low.
No
Hello.
sir. You are still not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yes.
कहाँ तक सुना?
Better.
20
Sir,
feet
वो
तक.
20 feet.
20 feet.
तो ये बंदा जाके 20 feet पे he stands on a 20 feet and the darling breakfast में क्या बनाया? He doesn't get a response. So ये बंदा ना irritate हो, मतलब he understands कि 20 feet is not working. So he goes on a 15 feet and again shouts, darling breakfast में क्या बनाया? Still he doesn't get a response. तो बंदे का ना confidence शक जो होता है वो यकीन में बदलना शुरू होता है, confidence थोड़ा बढ़ता है. He goes on to 10 feet and again shouts, darling breakfast में क्या बनाया? Still he doesn't get a response. he goes on a 5 feet and चिल्लाता है फिर से, darling what have you made in a breakfast, still he doesn't get a response. बंदा बहुत इरिटेट हो जाता है. He walks towards his wife, stands behind her ears और चिल्लाता है, darling breakfast में क्या बना है? तो उसकी वाइफ रिस्पॉन्ड करती है, 4 बार बोला इडली सांभर बनाया. Guys, did you get a joke?
Yes.
बहुत लोगों को समझाई नहीं. समझाई नहीं शायद. शुभम बोल रहा है इसमें क्या जोक? The moral of the story, प्रॉब्लम जो था किसके कानों में था?
हस्बैंड.
ट्रीटमेंट वो किसकी करना चाह रहा था?
वाइफ.
Same with you guys. प्रॉब्लम दूसरों को तुम ट्रीट मत करो. Start treatment of your own. Once again, thank you very much, OPEX Solutions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
LinkedIn Kolhapur, and then Aditya, if I'm not wrong, Aditya, and then Sachin sir. Everyone, thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwajit.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you.